Here are 50 YouTube content ideas across different niches that are highly effective, trending, and beginner-friendly. Perfect for gaining views and subscribers in 2024 to 2025, general and trending content. YouTube, Shorts, Compilations, Day in My Life, Mini Vlogwats on my phone. My morning, evening routine, my first YouTube Paycheck breakdown room tour, desk setup monthly. Favorites, product reviews I tried _ for 30 days, challenge reacting to my old videos unboxing, and first impressions, gaming let's play series Minecraft. Roblox, etc. Game review or ranking tier list, speedrun, or hardcore challenge funny moments compilation. Underrated games you should try how to improve at _game mods showcase mobile versus PC gameplay comparison, esports news or commentary reaction. 2 game trailers or patch notes. Educational value-based style tools you should know, for example, ChatGPT. Mid-journey productivity tips for students or creators. Study with me Pomodoro sessions, how I take notes, digital note-taking tools, beginners, guide to investing, saving money side. Hustles that work in 2025, how to learn any skill fast, top 10 websites you didn't know existed, how I manage my time as a creator, faceless channel ideas you can start today. Lifestyle, fashion, Beauty-Trion, Haul, Shine, Zara, Uniqlo, Ketstra. Glow up transformation, before, after makeup tutorial, beginner friendly my skincare routine closet, organization, declutter with me. I wore only thrifted clothes for a week, fashion lookbook seasons, themes, favorite, affordable. Brands weekly vlog plus GRWM. Get ready with me, my hair care routine, hair transformation. Creative entertainment, short satisfying ASMR cleaning cooking life. Hacks you'll wish you knew sooner, mini documentary niche topic. Viral angle, viral TikTok food hacks. Tested pet vlogs, dog cat. Hamster pove 1-minute recipes, YouTube shorts, transformation edit style room. Self-storytime animation or voiceover street interview public reactions. Skits or comedy. Shorts relatable humor, bonus tips. Use trending audio in shorts. Focus on titles plus thumbnails that spark curiosity. Batch record to stay consistent. Analyze. Competitor channels for topic inspiration. Reuse one long form. Idea into multiple shorts clips. If you'd like me to customize these 50 ideas for your niche, for example, gaming, beauty, AI, faceless, I can prioritize and rank the best performing ones for growth. Just tell me what type of content you're aiming for.